Finally, after 2 years, Vandorra is happening. Today is day 1. It's the most annoying day because we have to do a transfer down to Montpellier. At the end of the day, we will meet with the Pons and Yoshi that's going to join us. They flew all over from Japan. The weather looks like it's going to be hot.
At least 30 degrees.
So the overall trip is basically, or the objective is to go across the Pyrenees, reaching San Sebastian. So in fact, the ocean. First day will be to Montpellier, then Andorra, then we'll go to really somewhere in the middle of the Pyrenees in Bolzano, I think is the name of the village where we're going to stay, and then down to San Sebastian and back.
And this trip is in honor of the fact that we were originally going to do this with vans, hence Vandorra, Andorra.
Yes, long ride today.
From Barcelona.
Yes. Nice road.
Yeah.
In the half, beginning of the half is super good. Oh God, no.
The following morning, Geordie left us and headed back to Paris, and we headed south, taking the A9 motorway for a short while before turning inland and finding some great roads over towards Carcassonne. Hey Yoshi, how's it going?
Yes, I'm waiting for beer.
Yeah?
Fantastic road. Yes. So good scenery.
So, but you don't want to. You're not going to spend the night there, right? You're going to go to the closest town. This is not alcohol poisoning. It's just dehydration. So you need salt water, Gatorade, that sort of stuff.
Yeah. It's also not just dehydration because I get low blood pressure when it's warm.
I'm extremely exhausted. Do you think? Oh yeah, pardon, stop faffing around.
Day 3 was another beautiful day. After stopping for breakfast shortly after leaving the hotel, we then crossed the border into Spain, and then we rode on some fantastic roads to the Pasquia Off-Road Centre, where Leo had booked us an off-road session.
Right, so excited.
You have to elegir.
2 strokes?
Yeah, 2 strokes. This is 4 strokes and 2 strokes.
Just a couple of bruises, someone to his ego, someone to his hips, but we're good. Kampai.
Oh, very new experience.
We have in 3 days a professional rider.
Go to Espes, Veracruz, Campos.
Ridden my KTM and now I've been riding his Tuono 660.
Yeah, so my
Pros and cons.
5-minute review of the KTM. So it's amazing at like higher speed, like above 80 kilometers an hour. Just like so much power. The windscreen's great. The suspension's really comfortable. Really nice handling and like above 80 kilometer an hour corners. Like feels really stable. Below like 60 kilometers an hour, I didn't feel comfortable with the turn in because it felt like really tall and like suddenly like tips in, like a bit dramatic.
View of the Tuono 660. It's great fun. You can really cane it and you get a lovely induction noise. All the power you need for a road, I think.
I think so. Yeah.
This is too much. The Tuono, you don't need any more power. It's great fun. I'm very happy you got some cakes. I like cake.
Cakes for baby kids. That's the kind of guy I am.
John's a cake fan.
He prefers some cream.
Ponz's GS.
Yeah, I did.
And what are your thoughts about that?
Incredible bike, great engine, very comfortable. Anyhow, one day when I'm old, let's say same age than Pons,
Yeah.
maybe I will get one.
What do you think about the 1000 XR then? What are your thoughts on that?
After riding the GS for a few days, the S1000 XR felt like my Tuono. Super responsive, suspension felt hard, firm, acceleration was amazing.
What are you eating, Pons?
The Navarra steak.
Is it tasty?
I believe so. It's delicious. In fact, it's marvelous.
Okay, John, please tell us your theory.
So, having followed you this morning from near San Sebastian, where you're riding at a good pace, keeping up with Leo, who was making progress, your speed increases as it gets colder. Contrary to most people who like high temperatures for maximum grip, you're even faster in the wet. In the wet, you're quicker than everyone. I don't know why, but that's
warm. It's your kryptonite. This is the conclusion.
I would agree with that statement.
Jamie's putting his rain gear on because it's not actually raining anymore.
John is going to get completely soaked. It's going to be hilarious.
What kind of mileage do you get on this thing?
Oh, I get good mileage. I go 350 k's.
Is that the mileage like you get on a Volkswagen Golf?
Pretty much, yeah. How's that road, Joshi?
Yeah, super fun. Yeah, this winding road is super good. And then especially after John, super fun.
Nearly touching, I think.
So it's scratched?
Made it to the hotel in Benasque after a bit of a detour and a wild ride with Yoshi.
Finally,
Yeah?
detour. But I
Detour.
had fun.
It was fun detour,
Yes, very much.
How was the extra 1 hour of riding or 45 minutes?
yeah. We had a crazy,
Was that crazy ride?
yeah, the whole thing was pretty much like riding on a track. Thanks Leo for a great ride.
Thanks to you for joining.
What's the next stage?
Well, me going back, you going to Barcelona to keep partying.
Yeah.
Pons gets a massage. Yoshi as well, probably. Maybe he goes for karaoke. Let's see.
The best bit? The roads and that wonderful, wonderful GS.
No, I have to say that the roads were amazing all the days, I think. There were beats for everyone, every taste. Big, sweeping, fast, narrow, wet, bumpy, so everyone was happy.
Yoshi?
Thank you for invite. It was so fun. As always, this is third time for me to join. And this time the road is also good. And bike was GS, by the way, was good too.
Yoshi's got an easy way of carrying his luggage to his bike.
Yes, it's a smart way.
Smart way. Very stylish.
Yes.
Thursday morning in Benasque. Leo's headed back towards Geneva this morning. He's stopping halfway. Jamie's staying here one more night. He's doing some work today. Yoshi and Pons are coming with me to Barcelona. Pons is taking the direct route and Yoshi and I are taking a more scenic route.
likes going around blind right-handers with his panniers scraping on the ground. That's just what he does.
He's a lunatic, I do.
He's like constant angle, constant radius, and he's a nutter.
This is our lunch stop in Tremp, where we let ponds go south and we head east.
Very good. I'm going to take this road, C13, due south. It's the quickest way into the city for me, but it's also a yellow on the Via Michelin map. So I think I'll follow all of this. Should be elevation changes, nice switchbacks.
Stopping for lunch in Cardona.
Yes, nice phrase.